I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by WESTKISS Hair. Shout out to you WESTKISS for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. This unit is definitely a different unit. It is different for me. This is their 2x4 PU wig. Child, don't even ask me, honey. I don't know what PU means, but I ain't mad at it. Alright, so this unit does come with 3 combs. It has 2 in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps, and it is a body wave unit. Now if you're interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye.
Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by WESTKISS Hair. Shout out to you, WESTKISS, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Now, this unit is different from any unit that I've ever had, to be honest. So this is a newbie for me, and I'm really excited about it. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the details and stuff that I have, and then we can get into more details and stuff like by the wig, okay? So let me first give you these details and specs. Okay, so as I stated, this wig is by WESTKISS. This is their 2x5 PU wig. I have it in 24 inches and is 180% density. Let me click on the link so I can see what they have on the site about this unit. Okay, so on the site it says new fake scalp wig, body wave, PU wigs, 2x5 silk top wig. And I'll have like the pictures on the screen so you guys can see what it looks like. And it's really just like that little strip that I showed you guys at the beginning. That is all that you have, and it does have the fake scalp. Okay, so they have on here virgin human hair wig, 2x5 wig. The color is natural black. It comes in 8 to 24 inches. It says material 2x5 mono font, one piece only, and it's 100% human hair. It can be dyed or bleached to number 27, can be restyled, tangle free, shedding free, all that good stuff. Okay, so this unit, as I stated, has just a little strip. You do have more room to like part over here, but literally this stops right here. This is it. So when I got it, I was literally expecting to wear it in a middle part. Like, I don't think, you probably can shift it. It may be a little uncomfortable. But I feel like you can only basically, like, it's meant to be worn in a middle part. Like, I don't see where it is styled anywhere where it's not in a middle part. So I just kind of feel like it's meant to be like a middle part type of unit. With this wig, as I stated, it's 24 inches. So I want to give you guys the pricing with it. Now, I have it in 24 inches. That is the longest length that I see. And if you got it in 24 inches, it'll be $221. And the shortest length that they have is 8 inches. And if you got it in 8 inches, it'll be $72.37. So, and let me just give you guys like a middle length. Let's do 16. If you got it in 16 inches, it'll be $129, honey. Okay, so those are the details and specs. Now, this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And it just literally came with this little bitty strip of lace. And I was super excited about that, y'all. Because you know your girl lazy, honey. Okay, that just to me meant less work. That's all. That's like all I saw in my head was, oh, honey, yes, less work. Okay, so as far as shed and tangling, like, honey, it came wavy. And I mean wavy, honey. You could have got sick in these waves, girl. So it definitely came wavy. It is a body wavy unit. And yeah, like, I just feel like it was super wavy. I did curl it, but that's just kind of like my thing with body wave units. I do like a little bit more curl than just the regular body wave, but you don't have to if you don't. It just all depends on your swag. So I did curl it some, but it is a body wave unit, and they definitely were defined. I didn't notice any shed or tangling straight off the bat. I will be wearing this unit for a couple of days, but I didn't notice anything like straight off the bat with it. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as details and specs. Now, as for me, I do feel like this unit is big head friendly, or as my husband would say, wide forehead friendly. I do feel like it is. I think I have it in a medium cap size. I don't know if you can get it in a small, medium, or large. I'm not 100% sure, but I think you can. I have to look and see. Yeah, I don't see on here where you can get it in a small, medium, and large. So I'm guessing that it's like a one cap fits all type of unit, which is fine. I feel like it is big head friendly and small head friendly. I think you can make it work either way. Right now, I consider myself more on the small head spectrum. So I do have the strap suggested and I can make it work. But I do feel like if you have a larger head, you can definitely make it work. So yeah, that is basically all the details and specs that I want to give you guys right now about this unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick length check. Keep in mind, I did layer it some, but the length is basically the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a length check, and then we will get into how I feel about this unit. Okay, so this is where the unit comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". This is all of the hair brought to the front. And this is where the unit comes to me in the back. I hope you guys can see. As I stated, keep in mind I am 5'4", so the length will, you know, it could be different depending on your height. So yeah, that's that. So now we can get into how I feel about this unit as well as the okay, so obviously you guys know I am definitely a fan. Like I am a WESTKISS fan anyway, but I love these type of units. Like I love a closure type wig. This is PU, honey. I don't know what that means, but honey, I like them. Okay, send me more. Send me more, because to me it's less work, and I am always looking for less work. I am always on the go. Like, honey, I gotta go to work right now. Okay, so I'm always on the go. So I love a unit that is not as much work. And this one definitely was not. I was really, really pleasantly surprised because I forgot, child. Okay, I forgot. They asked me if I want the unit, and I was like, yeah, girl. And then when I took it out to bleach the knots, yes, you heard me right. I took it out to bleach the knots, and I was like, oh my God. Oh my God, I don't even know how to. I was so excited. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it is an entire look. I think it is definitely easy. I think it is beginner friendly. Like if you are a beginner, this is definitely a beginner friendly, like a beginner's dream, honey. Okay, and I feel like if you lazy, honey, this is your dream too, girl. Okay, if you're lazy like me, this is your dream too. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I have no complaints. As far as the styling, I literally used my, what is it called? I used my Chi helmet head, and I used my Cantu thermal heat guard, or so whatever it's called, child. I used that, sprayed it on the hair, and I curled it, and I pin curled it, and I let it stay pin curled for like 10 minutes, because like I said, I gotta go to work, girl. So it did not stay pin curl. It stayed pin curl long enough for me to put on my head, and then I took those out, and yeah, that's basically it. And then I did layer it, because I just feel like curls and stuff look better when your hair is layered and not just all, you know, just going in one direction. And I was kind of going for the Farrah Fawcett look, but honey, she's not giving that. Okay, I don't know what she's giving, but it's not Farrah. But I like it in nonetheless, so I don't even care. But I'm feeling it. It's a look. This is like it's probably gonna be one of my go-tos, honey. The easier, the better for me. Okay, so I'm feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, as I stated, I'm feeling it. I think it is an entire look. Let me know what you guys think of it. Let me know if you guys know what PU stand for. Do you own one of these? Girl, let me know, because you know I don't be knowing, honey. You know I don't be knowing. Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, y'all, that's it. Oh, if you're interested in this unit from WESTKISS, the direct link for it will be down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, now that is it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.